學寫中文字 Learn to write in Chinese。 今日個字就係個車字。 Today's character is 車。個車字有7個筆畫。 The character 車 has 7 brush strokes。 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7。 點解個車字會咁樣寫呢？ Now, why would we write the character 車 in this way? 因為如果我哋想像由上望落去架車度咧，佢個樣咧就好似呢個車字咁樣啦。That's because if we imagine that we're looking down on the car from the top-down view, this character looks exactly like a car. 好耐以前嗰啲車就有2個轆，一個喺左邊，一個喺右邊。In the olden days, people got around in carriages which had 2 large wheels, one on the left and one on the right. 上嗰個橫同埋下低嗰橫就係代表架車嗰2個轆啦。The top horizontal brushstroke and the bottom horizontal brushstroke represents the wheels of the carriage. 中間嗰個方形係代表架車裏面個座位。The square bit in the middle represents the part of the carriage where you sit. 字係一動就係穿埋嗰2個轆同埋個座位一齊變咗架車啦。And the final vertical brushstroke represents the axle that holds the entire car together. 多謝今日同我學寫中文字。Thank you for learning how to write in Chinese with me today. 下次再見啦。See you next time. Bye bye.